that smells amazing.
Hey, just for you, little friend.
Yay! Can I have some?
Of course, here you go. Hot naan and fresh curry. Wow, looks amazing.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy. So, you like the food?
Very spicy.
Here, have some more.
Thank you.
Go, go, go! Eat! I'm on it! Right behind you! To the dhaba!
Please subscribe. Pretty please, with a treat on top. It would make me so happy. Thanks, friend.